Hi, my name is Alexander and this is KMD where I work. Let's see some of the offices. Hi, you like coffee?
Oh, yes, please.
And I like the way you decorate in here.
That's what we like decorating. This is the autumn exhibition. And we have a Halloween exhibition in a month.
Oh, scary.
Very scary.
Yeah, and crazy. Hey, Mads.
Hey Alexander.
So R&D, this is where you geek out.
This is where we geek out and have technology at heart.
How do you geek out?
We geek out with all the new tech that we can do.
Tech like that one?
Also tech like that one. This is a bit more fun tech at the moment.
I try tech.
You should try tech.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Have fun.
Here at KMD, we sure have a lot of different people. That's what I enjoy. Catch you later.